So welcome back to our channel, and today we are harvesting brinjal. There are so many which are come, two here, 3 to 4 there, one behind. Lots of them on this plant. This is the third harvest. It's a really good harvest this time. So we'll harvest this today. So here it is, a small harvest. The last time we had it was really tasty. Thank you.